Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on Poppy Lane in Salford to show you this 2-bedroom semi-detached property coming to the market chain free. We've got a double driveway to the front and fantastic views of the River Irwell. Lovely peaceful development, and again coming to the market chain free. So upon entering, we've got a welcoming entrance hallway here, as you can see. This then leads through to this stunning fitted modern kitchen, as you can see here. All double glazed and gas central heated throughout. Credit to the current owners and very well presented. Property is in turnkey condition. So you can see we've got a great space here. Beautifully presented kitchen, space for a dining table over here as well. We've got the added benefit of storage under the stairs and the convenience of a downstairs WC here. And then coming through to the rear of the property, we've got this beautiful living area with patio doors out to the low maintenance rear garden. As you can see, it's been colour drenched and the owners have put their own stamp on the property. It looks absolutely beautiful throughout. You can see we've got a large corner sofa, and then we've got our low maintenance rear garden here, as you can see. We've also got access around the side, all nice and secure, nice high fences and later lawn grass there. And then coming back through the property, up the stairs, we've got 2 fantastic double bedrooms. We've also got a modern fitted bathroom suite. So the property is overlooking the River Irwell. We've got some beautiful views to the front that you can see from the main bedroom. This is a main bedroom. Got Salford Sports Village on your doorstep, fantastic transport links and local schools nearby as well. So you can see we've got a very generous sized double bedroom here, further storage there in the cupboard and a little bit of extra space there. As you can see, this is the views from the main bedroom. Absolutely beautiful, lovely development, nice and quiet. And again, we've got off-road parking to the front. And then coming to the bathroom, again, this has all been retiled throughout. Beautiful condition, modern kitchen and bathroom, 2 double bedrooms and a living space, off-road parking to the front, low maintenance rear garden. This is our 2nd bedroom. This is completing the 1st floor of this fantastic property. As you can see, we've got plenty of space in here as well. Very generous size double bedroom again. This has been a fantastic property, very well presented in turnkey condition on Poppy Lane. Fantastic views, a lovely new development. Property is under warranty as well. Coming to the market chain free, off-road parking, 2 double bedrooms, modern fitted kitchen and bathroom overlooking the River Irwell. If you would like to view this fantastic property, please call our office on 061 707 4900.